At Air Products, we're proud to support Semefab with on-site generated gases that ensure a secure, cost-effective nitrogen supply. Our compact modular plants are quick to install and designed for high energy efficiency. By eliminating trucked-in liquid deliveries, we help reduce CO2 emissions, supporting Semefab's sustainability goals. It's smart, reliable gas generation, perfectly suited to the precise demands of the electronics sector.
Semefab is a privately owned semiconductor company established in 1986. Today we operate two 6-inch wafer fabs on a single site in Glenrothes, a MEMS fab and a MOS bipolar facility. From our facility here in Scotland, we have a truly global reach, with 77% of our products exported worldwide. With cutting-edge technology and a dedicated skilled team, Semefab manufactures sensors and microelectronic solutions for applications within aerospace, automotive, medical and more.
Here at Semefab, we've worked with Air Products since our founding back in 1986. Over the years, the reliability and support have played a vital role in our growth as a semiconductor manufacturer. Nitrogen is critical to every part of our process. Every tool, every step of production relies on it. In semiconductor manufacturing, purity isn't just important, it's essential. That's why plant availability, service backup, continuity of supply are absolutely key for us. Our recent investment in on-site generation with Air Products has been a major step forward. It's allowed us to maintain the high standards our manufacturing demands while achieving real cost savings and helping us reduce our carbon footprint. After nearly 4 decades of partnership, we're proud to continue working with Air Products, a company that understands the importance of reliability, quality and innovation.